Hello teacher and hi all my beloved classmates.
My name is Inju.
And my name is Ponari Sodina.
Now I would like to tell you about plastic bag.
Hi Inju, guys, for today our teacher talk about plastic bags.
Oh, what about them? I see them everywhere.
That's the problem. Plastic bags can be bad for the earth.
Really? But they are so useful. My mom used them for shopping.
Yes, but when people throw them away, they can end up in the ocean. Animals like turtles can eat them by mistake.
Oh no, that's so sad. What can we do?
We can use reusable bags instead of plastic bags. My family has cloth bag for shopping.
That's a great idea. I will tell my mom to use cloth bag too.
And we should always throw trash in the right bin. If we see a plastic bags on the ground, we pick it up and throw it in the trash.
Yes, we can help clean the earth. Let's tell our friend too.
Yes, together we can make a difference.
Goodbye, teacher.